YouTube Rascals. Are you ready for summer? It's getting hot out there. We're coming at you with a new recipe to help you stay cool.
We're making strawberry yogurt popsicles and they're really easy to make.
And super yummy. First, you start with 2 cups of yogurt.
As a sweetener, you could use maple syrup or honey. Today we're just going to use maple syrup. And we're going to add strawberry spread to give it that strawberry flavor and additional sweetness. We're going to add 2 tablespoons of maple syrup.
It's almost syrup.
And you are going to add 3 tablespoons of strawberry spread.
Ew. Don't got that.
Now it's ready to put into our popsicle molds.
Yeah. Look at
Estamos más. So now we place the lid. When you insert the popsicle sticks, remember to only insert them halfway through so you have room to hold them.
Now to put it in the freezer. After 4 hours or so, your treat should be ready to enjoy.
You can also make different variations by using different fruit. You can use blueberries, raspberries, strawberries, pineapple, and mango. Play around with the flavors, and if you want to see us make a watermelon and chamoy video, please like and subscribe.
So there it is, a simple recipe to help you stay cool this summer. Let us know what you think about it, and we'll see you in the next video.